Sometimes, I feel that trees and people are far more alike than we usually imagine. A tree has roots. A person has roots too. A tree grows, and a person spends an entire lifetime growing. A tree carries rings of time. A person carries experience. When I begin working on a new spoon, I am not only thinking about wood, I am thinking about a journey, because every act of creation is a story of transformation. Before me lies an ordinary piece of wood, yet every dream begins this way, undefined, incomplete, holding immense potential within. I begin shaping the spoon, cut after cut, movement after movement, and slowly I realize that the work of a craftsman is much like the work of life itself. Life does not add what is unnecessary. It removes it, gently, patiently, and then the true form begins to appear. Then the leaves appear. For me, they have always been a symbol of growth, a symbol of becoming. Every new leaf is a new experience, a new lesson, a new chapter of the journey. No tree is afraid to grow. It simply grows, day after day, season after season. Beneath the leaves, roots emerge. Roots are rarely seen, yet they are what hold the tree during the storm. The same is true within us. There are things no one can see. Values, principles, faith, love. These are the roots of the soul, the invisible foundation. Then I begin removing the excess, and once again, I think about life. How often do we carry things that should have been released long ago? Fear, doubt, old wounds, unnecessary weight. Sometimes beauty appears, not when we gain something new, but when we finally let something go. Now comes the stone. The garnet finds its place, and suddenly, everything begins to revolve around a center. To me, the garnet is like an inner fire, a small flame that keeps a person moving forward, even when the road becomes difficult. It may seem small, but it is enough to light the darkest path. Now the wood receives its stain, and it seems to mature before my eyes, just as people do. With time, we do not lose beauty, we gain depth, character, meaning. The grain becomes richer, the story becomes visible. Now the wood receives its stain, and it seems to mature before my eyes, just as people do. With time, we do not lose beauty. We gain depth, character, meaning. The grain becomes richer. The story becomes visible. And now the work is complete. Before me stands a spoon, but I see something more. I see roots. I see growth. I see inner fire. I see a journey to rise toward the sky. We must remember the earth. To become stronger, we must not be afraid to grow. From seed to sky, from possibility to creation, from wood to a story that can be held in your hands.